So how can you import contacts on the iPad? Let's talk about it and let's get started. If you're new on Foxtecc, make sure you become part of the community by subscribing and therefore you'll never miss anything important. So there isn't any direct way of importing. So if you go to the Contacts app, you don't have like a button to import it, but you can open up the Settings app on the iPad, tap on the apps and at the bottom of the list entirely and go to the Contacts app specifically. So go to contact accounts in here and you can log in to different accounts. A lot of people have the Google account and there are the stored contacts. So you can just sign into your Google account and they will appear on the iPad, right? So that would be another way of doing that. On the other hand, if you have the vCard file format with your contacts, like you can of course export contacts from multiple different places, like from iPhone or Android phone, for example. And usually the format for the contact file is the vCard. That's how it's called, right? And if you have that ready, you can also import it to your iCloud, but we cannot do it directly through the contact application or the iPhone or iPad, but instead we need to use a web browser, right? So you can log into the iCloud.com. You can use Safari, right? And in there you can find the contacts section and you have the ability to tap on the plus button in the top right corner and you can click on import contacts, right? So you are importing them. So you choose a file like that. And as I said, if you have the vCard file, you can import them right away and you are importing them to the iCloud account, right? So you will then be able to access them through the iCloud within the built-in Contacts app on your iPad and also on your other Apple devices. So I hope that I can help you out with this. Let me know in the comments below what you think or if it worked out for you. Stay tuned for more and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming videos as well.